Hello, we're here today looking at the Elite style concession trailers here at SLE Equipment. Now looking at these trailers, we will have an access door in the front. Gives you access to the backhand side of all the plumbing components. We'll also have access to the 100 amp electric panel, battery charger, battery and fuse panel. This trailer does have a water heater, freshwater tank, and water pump. We'll also see the city water fill box. Now the back side of that will have the freshwater connections for pressurized water, as well as the water leading to the freshwater tank. All the plumbing components in here will have PVC and PEX piping. When we come to the outside of the trailer here, we'll also see a RV style connection, which will come with a 3-inch hose connection and a 3/4 inch. Now that valve that's on there is going to be a pull release valve. Once it's pulled, the wastewater will go right out the trailer. When we do step into the trailer, we will be able to see the 3-bay sink and hand washing sink here. 3-bay sink will have drain boards. Hand washing sink here, it's going to have splash guards. We've got the shelf above the sink area, gives plenty of storage for extra items. There's an additional switch on the wall here, which is going to be for a hood installation down the road. Have all the light switches for interior and exterior LED lights. The inside finish on these trailers is aluminum mill finish, or it can be white metal finish depending on what manufacturer builds the stock units for us. We're also looking at differences on flooring, can be rubber coined or rubber tread plate. These units do have an AC unit on them. This AC unit here is a Coleman 13,500 BTU unit. All the plugs on the inside of these trailers are going to be on independent circuits, 20 amps apiece. These boxes you see here in the floor are going to be your fender wells. They run 6 foot long. They can vary between 10 and 12 inches tall. Come off the wall by 8 inches. Looking at the concession window here, we got a 5-foot window. They can vary some. Sometimes we get them in 4, 5, or 6 foot on our stock units. They do come with glass and screens. With the cabinets here, what we'll also see is all the cabinets are going to be secured. There's going to be a push button. When you push it, it's going to release, open up, gives you access to the storage underneath, as well as access to the plumbing components. All the wiring in the trailer will run up between these pieces of metal here. It's going to be between the wall and the ceiling structure. Makes it easy to access for any future renovations, anything else that needs to be done on the inside of the trailer. We come back looking at the door here. We've got an RV style flush lock. It's going to allow you to lock from interior or exterior with keys. Keys are provided and zip tied to the door. These trailers do have a screwed exterior on them. They come with all the necessary lights that you need for DOT and roadworthiness. These trailers also incorporate 100-pound propane cylinder tanks when the gas is installed. If it's not, and it's just the base unit, you will have cages there for them. Depending on the size of the trailer, you may have 1 or 2. Looking on the outside of the unit here, we will have our flip-up cover, which will cover the concession window. You also have the flip-up counter, which will be the serving counter area. Circling back to the front here, these units have generator platforms on them. They can either be bolted or strapped to the front. Please take caution, some manufacturers on generators, if it is a permanent fixture, you may void your warranty if it's bolted onto that platform. Here up next, we're going to take a look at the concession trailer, which will be the turnkey experience. These trailers can be outfitted with equipment. This blue trailer will be next. Here we have our Elite style concession trailers. Now this one here will have equipment on the inside of it, very similar to the other one. All the plumbing components, electric components, all that's already going to be pre-done with the unit when we get them. These do come in a wide variety of colors. So this one here to be a cobalt blue. It is a very vibrant blue, and these trailers can either have silver or black trim, depending on how we receive them in. As we can see on the back of this one, it's had gas done. So we've got our 200-pound cylinders. Circling back to the inside of the trailer here, we'll take a look and see what we got installed. So just like our standard Elites, it's already got the hand sink, 3-bay sink, shelf. They've got this unit in, start putting the equipment in. So as we see here, they've got a workstation table with under shelf. We've got a commercial grease hood that's been installed in the unit. They have also installed a griddle with equipment table, gas lines. This trailer has 2 50-pound deep fryers installed. On the very back of the trailer, we also see we've got a refrigerator sitting in the back corner. We've got a gap space here for a piece of equipment or something for the customer to put in. Another worktop table with undershelf. Table has been installed at the concession window for a serving table. It's got an undershelf as well. As with the other unit we've already looked at, it's got the AC unit on board as well. Now I can say with these units, when you go to run the hood system, it is going to evacuate all the air. So you might as well turn that off, save yourself some power for all these outlets. These trailers will come with a safety instructional sticker on the side of the door. Please do read this and have anybody that enters read it. It's going to be the safety guidelines for the trailer. These trailers here have a bar lock on them as well. Be additional safety measure and security measure. At the very top here, you can see the extraction fan for the hood system is also mounted at the top. Gas tanks will be strapped down to help with any kind of vibrations or anything going down the road. You're also going to see these regulators on the back. It's going to control the gas going to the inside of the trailer with the shut on, shut off valves on the tanks. Just like the other Elite we took a look at, it's got its flip up counter as well as concession window covering. And on the front of this trailer as well, we've got the generator platform. This trailer was just like that white trailer. Customer had ordered it for equipment, so we had the equipment installed. If you have any questions about these, you can give us a call at 615-641-7720. We'll be happy to assist you. Thank you. Bye.